So years ago, I did a bunch of clocks, and you can see how they're built. Let's put that over there. So basically, onlay onto plywood, and then put a frame on it, and attach that to hang it up. And this one's been going. This is the clock mechanism that's been going for 25 years, about. And it's our main clock. Now I did a bunch of these. I did different shapes. I did squares and diamonds and some this shape and different designs and different wood and patterns, and some were sold. I used to display my stuff at a place, and some were sold, but we kept quite a few. And this one is the one that held out the longest. So there's several in our house. My wife says there's 6 that no longer work. And she wanted me to order new mechanisms. But fortunately, I already have a bunch in stock. I have a good 6 or 7 in the drawer. This one I just pulled out, and I just pulled it out of the plastic bag. The metal part looks tarnished, which is weird, but it should have had no effect on the inside. So this one should be perfectly new as far as working. And I'm going to put it in here, and you can see how it goes together right there. I can't find my other, I'm pretty sure I have a container of just hands, but I'm not finding it. But it turns out these are fine. There's nothing wrong with these, so I'll just put them back on the new one. And one of these days I'll probably find it. I think it's in a container like this. So here are some extra numbers, the Roman numeral, and I also have a container of regular numbers. So let's switch this one out and get it running. And then I'll probably do the others too. It's a little tedious, that's it. It's not hard. Just have to be careful. Mini quartz movement. And I picked them up years ago. I picked up a bunch of them and used a bunch, and still have at least 6 or 7 or 8 in the drawer. So that's good. I'll be able to get all of our clocks running. Different woods in here. We have some cherry, maybe white ash, red oak. I think it's a red oak around the outside. This one right here might be hickory. Maybe that's white ash. Yeah, I'd say that's white ash. Okay, either way, let's probably white oak right there. White oak's usually darker. Okay, let's get it running.